it's on.
All right, everybody, we've decided that this is the day that we are going to launch that rocket. I cannot believe it. Mr. Schmidt picked the windiest day. I'm lucky it's not raining. Mr. Schmidt, are you sure this is a good idea? I think I'm being blown away.
It's a good idea, but it got windier as we were waiting and deciding if we were going to record today.
Let's go ahead and do this.
Okay, so here, I already showed you guys on the other video how to build the launcher. And now we just need to slide the 2-liter bottle on the end. And if you want to make a better seal, you can put duct tape around it, but I think it'll launch without that today, so let's try it.
Do you notice that Mr. Schmidt likes orange soda? Oh. Okay.
Okay, ready? Let's do a rocket.
We gonna do a white one first, Mr. Schmidt?
Why not? We don't even know which one of these will be in the video. Okay, you ready?
All right, Mr. Schmidt. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be over here. I'm gonna catch it.
Okay.
I'm gonna catch it. All right. All right, missed that one.
Yeah, let's try.
I'm pretty sure that I can do this.
Yeah. You want to do this?
Yeah,
okay,
I'm gonna do it this
so
time.
when you step on it, make sure you step on the label.
Do I step on it from up here?
Oh no, if you step on the end, you might crack the bottle.
Okay.
That's why it's good to have extra bottles.
Okay.
I don't
well,
think we do have extra bottles.
All right. There, which one?
So if we crack it,
No, I want the
video
blue
over.
one, Mr. Schmidt.
Okay, fine. Blue one.
Okay. We ready?
We're ready.
Okay. 2 foot?
Just one.
Ah.
In the middle.
Okay. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
How's my hair?
It's beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, to the roof! Oh! That went.
That was awesome! Oh!
Went up
I'm pretty sure that
and
Harley
over
has
the
it
house
now.
to the backyard. Harley's probably chewing on it right
Yeah,
now.
Harley has it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Hi. Okay. Is it my turn?
It's your turn.
Okay. All right. Oh my God, that's a good one. Yes!
All right, awesome. Okay, guys. So that's our video. And
Bye.
oh, we're looking into the phone. That's our video, and we hope that you guys launch rockets and show us videos of you doing it too on Flipgrid.
Absolutely, and we will be starting our educational videos tomorrow. Have a great Easter, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.